Doing a little clearing for a new campsite. My dad was just here, it's his birthday, so I'm surprising him with all this work. We got our new campsite built out. We got Matt Bitberg here, help me out. Thanks, Matt. My dad and my brother just left. So yeah, coming along, beautiful view of the pond back there. It's a beautiful natural spot. Running my 375, 75cc Husky. She rips, man. 24-inch bar on it, full comp. Gotta like it. I got some new chain I'm gonna try out too later. We got from China. I'm gonna see how it cuts. It's a semi chisel. Hey, we're saw in the wood, stick in the ice, rubber on the road. Be safe out there. Have a great weekend. Happy birthday, Dad. Love you, buddy. Hi, Mom.